Hello guys, so ito po yung aking lulutuin ngayon, hapunan. So gagawa tayo ng stir fry. So ito po yung aking beef, yung aking broccoli. So ito po yung aking celery, red peppers, and carrots. Ito po yung aking kalabasa guys. So okay guys. Hello guys, so mag-umpisa na ako magluto ng aking vegetable with beef. So umpisa lang natin yung garlic. So lagay natin yung onion. Just leave it to golden brown. So lagyan natin yung ating sliced beef. Mix lang natin. So ito na yung aking beef. Ilalagay na natin yung shrimp. So yun na, nakalagay na yung ating carrots, celery, and red peppers. Mix lang natin. Tapos ilagay na natin din yung kalabasa guys. So yan na po ang aking kalabasa. Maganda sa mata. So paliwanag sa mata. I-mix ko lang siya guys, okay? So ito po yung aking sauce na ilalagay dito. Kompleto na yan lahat. Nandyan na lahat yung aking sangkap. Oyster sauce, salt, black peppers, MSG konti. Tapos i-mix lang natin guys. So yun guys, na-mix ko na siya. So makulay yung aking gulay. Very healthy. So tatakpan lang natin siya guys. Okay? So ngayon ilagay ko yung broccoli. Yung aking greens. Very healthy. Mix lang natin siya. So, yan na guys, ang aking stir fry for tonight. It still look delicious, very healthy, at makulay. So, yan na po ang aking naluto ngayong gabing hapunan. Assorted vegetable. Complete. Healthy for the eyes. So, yan guys, ang aking cooking tonight. Okay guys, thank you for watching ang aking video. See you on the next vlog. God bless us all. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe.